Okay.
No, I broke the
No. She doesn't have to make sound now. Whatever it is, ask her to leave. Time idea.
Yeah.
Just 5 minutes, I'll do.
Phone silent ಇದೆಯಾ ಶುಭ
Hi everyone, how are you? I can see some of you are joining. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes for more people to join. It's so nice to be live, speaking to all of you and sharing my thoughts. It feels great. And digital medium is the medium where we can reach to a lot of you in one go. That really feels good. Hi everyone, this is Kalpana Malya. I'm a Sapphire director in Oriflame, and I really feel good to be live today. Earlier, 1 or 2 years back, I used to do a lot of live, but somewhere down the line I had stopped. But it feels great now to do the live again. How are all of you in the new normal? The pandemic situation has been going on off and on lockdowns. It's been 6 months since these things are going on, and I can see that the entire world is affected by that, and it's like a situation which we have never faced in so many years. And it's really for us to keep a positive mind and do a lot of things, keep ourselves very happy, because there are times when each and everyone can feel very low. And see, take me for example. I am very much of an outgoing person. I like to meet new people, talk to people, go for get-togethers, for social events, invite people over to my house, and a lot of business meetings, seminars, and none of that is happening today. So life has, I must say, totally changed with this new pandemic. But I'm not feeling depressed. Don't feel depressed, any one of you. If you are depressed, there is so much to look forward to, because life is so beautiful. And our weather, the rains, the sun, everything is working on clockwise time, right? It's raining in monsoon season. Likewise, we also have to do our duties and be happy and keep ourselves enlivened all the time, and positive all the time. So I would take that this pandemic situation is a gift given to me by God, because I am such a busy person. So I wouldn't have time balancing. I'm a homemaker and a businesswoman also. So balancing both of them was really, we have to do juggling and balance it off beautifully, both of them. And I was very happy. But today, I would say, in the changing times, I'm getting so much time to pursue my hobbies, to do so many things at home. I would like to share some of the things what I'm doing in the pandemic situations. What are you doing? You can also share with me towards the end. You can message me or comment, so I can also learn so many new things in that. Okay. So I belong to a beauty business, to a color cosmetic industry. My business is about making women beautiful, about giving women the empowerment to work, to give them work opportunity. So many of I have more than 4,000 women in my group who have changed their lives for the better, and earning power, the sense of ability of doing something on our own. So really, Oriflame changes our lives. I'm very happy with Oriflame. I'm doing this for 24 years now. And through Oriflame, I've touched lives of so many women and men, so that they have changed their lives completely. So in the COVID situation, what can we do? I would say that sometimes you and me can just, instead of since we are at home, instead of just wearing your pajamas or home clothes, and not wearing makeup and not doing your hair, feel good, put on some color cosmetics, some nice makeup, eye makeup, lip makeup. Colors always give a lot of positivity to your face, to your life. And when you're dressed up well, it gives a lot of positivity to yourself, the confidence for yourself. If you look at yourself in the mirror, you feel very confident that I'm a person who's full of life. So colors always makes you also happy and others also happy. It always radiates positivity. So dressing up well is very important. Or we even have many of the spa products. Why don't you go to your very favorite place in your home and then have a nice spa treatment that will really de-stress you and relax you. Okay. So one of the things I feel that dressing up well, my business is about making people look beautiful, adding color to the life, teaching about beauty, makeup skills, and so many things. So I've done all that. So right now we have taken a lot of safety measures, like sanitizers and so many other things, where cleanliness is very important. And with that, I am opening my service point, Oriflame, and a lot of customers do come who are very conscious about cleanliness and what products you are using daily, like soaps are there, shampoos are there, sanitizers are there, a lot of things what you can use. And also color cosmetics on a daily basis, what you are using. People, I do get customers, so it's really nice to meet new people each day. That brings lot of newness to your life. Okay. And it's very enterprising. What other thing I have done during the pandemic is, one good thing is I learned digital. Okay. I was a little away of about digital, and I had not put up my mind, but today the world is going digital. And what I have done, I have created a lot of small videos on YouTube, on my Facebook. I have learned how to put a lot of posts. Then I learned how to do InShot, Canva. I touch upon a lot of leaders and lot of trainers who do online trainings. And that's how I keep myself occupied. And I have learned a lot in digital. And today, Facebook Live also is one of this initiative. And other things, webinars. I have learned how to do webinars, not only for my trainings, but touch base with my relatives and friends all over the world. We do webinar meetings in Zoom calls, which brings us so close, and we can do chatting one to one, we can do in groups. So I really enjoy doing all these things. Another thing, what I have been doing is cooking. Cooking is a passion with me, and I like to try out different dishes. I open up YouTubes. I'm also very creative. I've done like a lot of shows in some restaurants, and also I've written my cookery book. So I like to try new things. So online, like cooking, I have done a lot of creativity in cooking. But the only bad thing is we are getting more chubbier, and like more calories added. But it's okay. Sometimes you have to be giving yourself time and giving the best time for my family, I must say. More time to my daughter, to my husband, and all my friends. So that's been happening, staying at home and working. Okay. Another thing I would like to tell is, like, in my business, a lot of people I empower and teach them business skills and trainings and other things. So that's been happening. And also exercise. What about exercise? I used to go to a gym very close to my house, but right now, because of the conditions, it's closed. And it's Zumba with Manoranjini I go. So right now she's giving me beautiful classes, virtual classes, and just like we are doing in the gym, we do from our homes. But it's very important to keep yourself very active and physically fit also, because if you are physically fit, then mentally also you will feel very nice, and lot of energy boosts are there when you are exercising. You feel good. I feel good throughout the day. So these are the things basically I'm doing, and also talking to my friends over the phone. So it really feels good. Hope this some of these tips are really useful for you, and any of you want to really know what my business is about. I'm doing Oriflame for many years now, and Oriflame is a passion with me. Trust me, it really changes love. It's all about the life. It's all about entrepreneurship. It's all about talking to people, meeting new people. It's about changing your personality. It's about developing leadership qualities, and lot many things you can gain. Business in multi-level marketing is, trust me, not only selling products, and it's not only using the products. There's a lot more to that. Okay. So really nice talking to all of you, and I hope you have enjoyed and got little boost in this pandemic situation. And I will touch base to you many more times after a long time. This was my first live, but many more to come on beauty related subjects and so many other subjects, to make yourself very feel good factor, and very energetic and beautiful in life. Smile always and spread the smile to everybody. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye. Next time I will